Well, you finally picked up a camera and started taking some pictures, and on the other day you're scrolling through Instagram seeing all these professional photographers posting insane pictures, and you just think to yourself, well, I'm never gonna achieve that. What the hell? Why are these so good? And then you start seeing that most of these pictures are actually edited. They don't come out of the camera like that. So, and you actually realize that they undergo an hour-long process of editing before they're actually posted to the feed. So you get inspired, you buy Lightroom, buy Photoshop, you start editing, and then you just see, dude, this sucks. Why am I not getting these results? Most of it is probably just through experience and not understanding the sliders well enough. So basically, time to learn how to edit. So to get to the point, the best way of learning how to edit and all these techniques is through courses. Now wait, hold up, not these kind of courses where some amateur photographer tries to sell you his stuff and he just never has even edited before. No, this is all for free and it's all included in your Lightroom subscription. And basically what these courses in Lightroom, in the program itself, are step-to-step guides from how to achieve certain looks to just the general sliders explained basically. But of course, I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's first launch Lightroom and go into Home. And there you will see a huge number of pre-made courses ready for you to try. And with the topic sentence, you'll see what the course is about and the before and after look of the image. Then start one you think looks interesting and start the step-by-step guided course. You'll always see what you have to do, and you basically can't skip a step before moving on to a different slider. Then just do what the course tells you to do, and for example, brighten the image through exposure or make it more dramatic through contrast, etc. And then slowly you'll start to learn and recognize all these different sliders and what has actually been done to the image in order to achieve this look. And then when you start editing your own images, you will kind of realize, oh yeah, like in the course, if I put up the exposure, the image is going to be brighter. If I add more contrast, the darks are going to be darker and the whites are going to be whiter, for example. And all these different things kind of then build up to this basic knowledge of you actually knowing how to apply it to your own images. And the cool thing is you can learn literally anything. There are hundreds, if not thousands by now, of courses that you can do. Just take, it's a 5-minute course and it just shows you one step of, I don't know, something, whatever, color grading. You don't have this huge madness overload thrown at your face like you would have in most videos where they would explain every single slider. It's kind of like a step-to-step guide, and all you have to do in order to start the course is just go into the homepage, search for those courses, look at what you like, and then just do the course. Trust me, it will help you a lot. Before we go on with the video, I just want to ask you to subscribe, like the video. It'll help me out a ton. The engagement will go up and all these things. I'm not even going to bother you. Just consider subscribing and liking. Thank you. Back to the video. And the second most effective way to learn editing is through presets. And again, this can be misunderstood many ways, so just hear me out for a second. So presets have this huge learning effect because you can see, like when you apply the preset, you see the sliders change to left and right and up and down, whatever. And then you can just play around with all these settings and see for yourself what works and what doesn't work in order to achieve some sort of look. And if you think that you would actually like to do that, I'll provide you with 3 free presets down in the description that you can just download, preferably on your laptop, that you can just import into Lightroom. If I haven't made a tutorial on it when this goes up, then I'll just link one until I make my own. But yeah, you'll figure it out. It's not rocket science at all. Plus, you have free presets that I am not charging you anything for, so just go ahead and download them if you want to. And this is basically it. These are the 2 steps that I use to actually learn how to edit and get all these basics down. Editing is a lot of personal preference. Like it's really subjective, since it is a form of an art. It is subjective. If I like my tones moody and someone likes them really bright and colorful, then they're not gonna like my edit. So in the end, it's just basically how you want to show your work. And don't give up, okay? You might not learn how to edit within watching this video now. It's a lot of experience. I always say you can't learn things like photography and videography and editing and everything like that through reading a book. It's not like knowledge. It's more, well, it is knowledge. The basics are knowledge, and then there's this experience and this you just have to apply what you've learned in order to actually know what the hell you're doing. You see what I'm saying? And yeah, if you have any questions regarding the presets, regarding whatever, okay, doesn't matter what, just hit me up at this link down here on Instagram. If you want to put it in the comments, of course I'll respond to that too, but the best way I think is through Instagram. So just hit me up, ask me the question, pop the question, and I'll answer you, and yeah, we'll go from there. These are the two things that you have to keep in mind, or maybe use when you want to learn how to edit and just get into this whole thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video to see more of these videos. I'll start being more active now. I haven't been this active for some reasons, but I'll be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you staying that long. Yeah, just like, subscribe, helps out a ton. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.